What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, now I got a couple knives real quick to check out, both from obviously CJRB, but kind of wanted to check these out. Kind of haven't heard a whole lot about them yet, but I just know they're out there. I was able to get a couple real quick just to check out, not buy yet, but I do love CJRB. They make great budget knives, and they're getting more into, I feel like, the premium knives. Like I think, what was that one, the Satire? I think that's the one I kind of like right now. I haven't got to check it out yet, but I'm liking the way it looks. And there's just some other ones out there that you definitely need to check out. Great knives, or by Artisan Cutlery. You know, it's whatever you want to look up. I think the channel or the website's artisancutlery.com. But CJRB, same thing. All right, but this one is going to be the one with no name, apparently. All right, so we got the Prado. Okay, so we got the Prado and the Hectare. I can't remember what it is. We'll see if it's got a name on it real quick. So we'll check that one out first real quick. I can't remember if it's Hector, Hectare. I think it's Hector. Nothing in the box. Use the same usual stuff on the inside about CJRB. Alright, let's check it out. Okie doke, okay. Alright, so nothing else in there. Just your little cleaning cloth, your little silica gel. Let's get that out of the way. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so it's very blue. I kind of like it just from that first open. Sounds kind of stupid, but just that one open, you know, that's all it takes, right? Just fell in love. Okay, not really. Definitely open. It's, do I have any? I don't know if I have a knife that's a crossbar lock by them yet. I don't know. I don't remember. For some reason, I'm drawing a blank, and I don't think I own a crossbar lock by them. So this is kind of new. It's definitely pretty strong, though. It feels like it. The D10 is. I don't know. Or it's just maybe the crossbar lock is tight. The spring's tight or something. It didn't come with any extra springs. But yeah, it's this. It definitely feels tight. Not bad though. It does. Here, let's kind of. Yeah, it's definitely. Yeah, there you go. A little strong. A little strong. I do like the way it looks. It looks kind of cool. I don't know why. Blue's my favorite color. Then they have light blue, regular like blue, I guess. Oh, and they have green pivot screws. Okay, I didn't notice that at first. I'm not real big into the green. It looks like I don't know. It may just be regular green, but it looks kind of puke green next to the G10. I don't know. This is what my opinion is. And now these have already been kind of checked out by a couple other people, and you can tell that the paint is chipping off a little bit off the screw right there. Obviously the light's kind of blurring it a little bit, but you can kind of see it right there. So those screws, if you're going to take them on and off quite a bit, yeah, it's in the pivot screw or the pocket clip screws, the pivot screw too, and it's even on the pocket clip a little bit. But so that's just to let you know, like, if you use them, if you like scrape them a lot, you use the knives a lot, this will come off. It will. I don't know what it's coated with, like a PVD coating, I'm sure, or something like that. This kind of reminds me of whatever it is. It reminds me of my Desert Warrior Civivi Elementum. Like, I think it was around the handle somewhere, like a piece of metal. I don't know what it was, like the steel frame lock or liner lock sign. I don't know, yada yada yada. So I just dropped. My daughter dropped it, barely dropped it, not very high at all, maybe a foot off the ground, and it literally like chipped right off like a piece did. So it kind of sucks, but you know, I don't know how. Well, obviously you can tell. Obviously with this, it's the same thing. Let's go check out this other one. This is the Prado Sand Polish AR RPM 9 blade, aqua green, G10 handle. Oh yeah, so this is also, I forgot to tell you, this is AR RPM 9 as well, as you can see right there. Let's get this one out of the box if we can. Hold on one second, let me get it off the screen, and my goodness. Alright, so same stuff, your general information on the inside. Nothing else on the outside. Open it up. And there you go. That's it. Nothing else on the inside. This one is definitely a little bigger. All right. It does look kind of cool though. I do like it. I like that CJRB. They do a lot with their colors. They variety out the wazoo. Like I swear, like they're all about everything. And I like how they do these kind of colors too, because they have the CJRB mini pyrite. They have like the little crown looking colors, or as Tri-State Easy to See. I watched a couple of his videos recently, and he says it's a looks like a McDonald's toy or something like that from back in the day, McDonald's toy. Yeah, it kind of does look like that with the colors. So it's kind of funny. I do like. Okay, so the Prado opens a little better. I do like the way that opens a little bit better. The Hectare, I'm going to have to get these names right. I keep getting them mixed up. So the Hectare, it does feel a little bit stronger, like the springs and everything like that, or detent. This opens up a little bit nicer and a little bit smoother. And I do like the way the blade is. Let's check out the blades. There you go. You can kind of see the shape of them and everything. I do like the Prado a little better. What's this writing right here? Oh, so it's a Ray Laconico design right there, as you can see. Probably why I like it, because I like the CJRB Echo too. I love that knife. And they have like different variations of that too, like more premium ones, like dope knife. Check it out. And again, this is the AR RPM 9. If you can, there we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. But yeah, I really like this. I like is the jimping the same on them? For the most part, yes. I don't know. I feel like I like it better on here just because it's not coated like over here. It feels a little smoother on the Prado or the Hectare. I'm gonna get these names right. I swear, it's kind of confusing because they're both by CJRB. They're both colorful knives. I do like the blade shape, the way it looks. It just looks better. It looks more up my alley. It is a little bigger too, which is kind of goes for me. I like that. I like the handle. It's kind of neutral for the most part, except for the little divot right there for the thumb hole. So you can kind of get in there, flip it open, reverse flip. These are both obviously only thumb holes, finger holes, opening mechanisms. Or you can obviously use the crossbar lock. I don't know. It doesn't work real well with this. Let's try it. Yeah, I guess it does. As long as you pull it back, it works perfect. I don't know what I'm talking about, right? I just like this one better. I feel like it feels better overall, and especially in my hand too, and it opens better, it closes better. I feel like I can get my hand almost a little bit deeper down in there. I don't know, it's just crazy. It just feels a little better to me. I think it's the overall. Pocket clips are pretty good. I like the pocket clips. The CJRB pocket clips, pretty sturdy. If I can show you. See, there you go. Pretty sturdy. Good flippy flip. Same with this. Obviously, the screws are recessed, but the pocket clips are not. So that's something kind of normal for most companies. They are reversible. Dope, right? Everybody loves that. Skeletonized liners on the inside. I can't show you because I don't have my flashlight. I can see it just fine, right? There you go. You can kind of see it right in there. Kind of skeletonized. I don't know about this one. Yeah, same thing. So they are really, 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 really light. So that's kind of cool. You have your pretty decent G10. Again, this is like aqua green or aqua blue. I can't remember. I would say aqua green. Let's see what the box says color-wise. Aqua green, obviously, yeah, duh. Then obviously this is blue. I don't know what kind of blue. It doesn't have anything on the box, but I will get that information when it comes to the final review of these little boys right here. But overall, pretty good knife. I like them. And I do not know the price. I think they're pretty relatively cheap. I know they're definitely under $100. I think this one's probably 60 to 70, I think. I can't remember for sure. But check them out on the website, artisancutlery.com. Check them out. Pick up one. I think they have different colors, good range of colors. And you got to be careful if you want it to stay chip free, I guess. You got to be careful using it, obviously. You don't want chips. You got to kind of slow down in using it, or just using it for like cardboard or basic crap like that. You know, that's what you want to use it for then. But if you don't care about it, heck, use the crap out of it. It'll be perfect for you. You're going to get a little chip here and there, but you'll be all right. But yeah, so far, first impressions, pretty nice. Like them both. I'll try them out, kind of wear them in a little bit, and we'll see how they go. All right, thanks.